There are two tools in DYB that help you make sense of all that data that's been entered about your students: tags and reports. Tags help you organize your students, and DYB's many reports allow you to check outcomes. Let's talk about tags first in this video, and in the next video, we'll deal with reports. But before that, we've got to log into DYB at data.youthbuild.org. If you forgot your username or password, just click on Forgot Password. You'll always start on your program's overview page. This is our test program's data. A good place to start talking about tags is on your students list, so let's click Students from the left side menu. There are many ways to sort your list with these filter pills. We're on All, which includes all our students ever entered in DYB, past and present. These are useful for sorting students, but sometimes you just want to work with a subset of students. And tags are the tool that lets you do that, giving you a way to identify and group students. There are two types of tags: system tags and user tags, which are the boxes showing next to students' names. System tags are gray and are automatically generated by DYB based on the data you enter about your students. The blue ones are user tags you create yourself. We'll go over those next. So, system tags. There's over 350 system tags, ranging from demographic characteristics like sex and race, to exit year, certificate type earned, and more. The system tag you can see here on our students is the YouthBuild USA cohort year tag, indicating when they exited the program. The minute you exit a student in DYB, they automatically get a cohort year tag. Similarly, the minute you enter any info about a student, they are getting system tagged in the background. Female student gets a sex female tag. Enrolled without a credential, they get a credential at entry none tag. These tags let you break down your student list to look at just who you want to look at. Let's see this in action. Click Filter Students by Tags up at the top. This opens up what we call the tag picker. You can filter your list by both system and user tags here in these folders. So let's say we only want to show our female students. We'll find that tag by clicking on the Student Data Tags folder. System tags are sorted in all these categories. Sex is asked as part of the student profile, so let's click on Profile, then Sex, and then you can see we're down at the tag level. Click Add next to Female. The gray tag is added above, and down below you can see our list is now showing just our female students. You could add more tags to further narrow down the list if you like. Just click these folders to go back to the beginning. So that was the long way to add a tag, but here's a shortcut. You can just type female into the search bar to find it that way. The only way to get to know what system tags are available is to poke around in the folders and get to know them yourself. And you're not editing data by playing with system tags, you're just filtering data, so don't worry that you'll mess anything up. Let's remove the tag by clicking the X and then close the tag picker. Okay, so that was a good intro to system tags, but what about groups of students like your January mental toughness class or Chanel's case management load? DYB is not going to have system tags for those, but you can create user tags for just that purpose. So let's make one. Choose Tags from the left side menu. All editing and managing of your program's user tags is done here from the Tags page. Now keep in mind all other DYB users at your program can see and use your tags and vice versa. We're going to make that tag for the mental toughness class who enrolled together in January. Click Add Tag and give it a name and description. Descriptions are a good idea to clarify to other DYB users at your program what the tag is for. Click Save. Now all of your participants show below and you can add students to your new tag immediately. It's easy to filter or sort this list and get only who you want to display. You could even filter by system tags if you like. For our tag, we just want to get to students who enrolled in January 2016, and we can use this Sort By function to do that. Hover your mouse over Name for more sorting options and choose Enrolled. Now the students are sorted in order of enrollment date. Excellent, so let's find our January enrollees and add them to our tag. Click the empty circle next to their name and you'll get a green check, which means they're in the tag. If you add a student in error, no big deal, just click the green check to remove them from the tag. When you're done, click the In Tag filter pill to double check those are the students you'd like included. Now our new tag will be listed in the tag picker under My Tags anytime you'd like to use it in DYB. You can group students into any way that's useful for your program. Some examples we've seen are case manager tags, a particular funding source, class names, or even a tag reminding staff to check on a student's data. Let's go over how to edit existing user tags on the tags page. Click on Tags up at the top of the page to go back to all your user tags again. Click on the name of the tag you'd like to edit, and then click on the Edit Tag button. Here you can change the tag name or description, or you can even click Remove Tag to get rid of it entirely. Remember, removing a tag doesn't delete the students from the system, just the tag. You can also add new students to the tag if you'd like by clicking the All Participants filter pill and checking the circle next to their name. I'm going to show you something fancy back on our students page. So let's go to Active Students and see our new Mental Toughness class tag. It worked! And here's another DYB trick. Just click on one of those tags and presto, the list has filtered by that tag. Now that you have a handle on what tags are and how they work, explore a little in DYB and see how tags can help to organize your program's data. To learn more about tags, visit the DYB knowledge base for more tips and how-tos. To get there, just click the !help link at the bottom of any page in DYB. And of course, reach out to us at DYB Support for any questions you may have. We're happy to help. In the next video, let's move on to explore the reports in DYB.